Welcome back everybody to a new video and a new update about the crypto prices. Before we dive in, please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, click on the bell, click on also that you don't miss anything, or share it with your friends if you think this is useful. Now, I promised you yesterday to upload a video about the forecast for 2022. I didn't manage to do that because of technical difficulties. Had a lot of problems with the camera and as well with the microphone. So I spent all afternoon and all night to fix that, so it now should be better. Also the quality of the camera should be much better. So yeah, I hope then for future videos the quality will be as good as today. And also then of course for the main channel where we're uploading more and more videos for 2022. I really want to recommend you to watch out for the video that I am going to record later on my forecast for 2022, because that is going to be an outlook and a forecast on macroeconomics, where we are right now with crypto, with the market, what can we expect, when will we top out, and what are the key factors to look at in the rest of the bull market. So yeah, I think it will be uploaded in between 4 or 5 hours from now. Right now I'm still in beautiful Mexico, yeah, I am kind of waking up together with the opening of the American markets. In Asia everyone is asleep right now, and in Europe people soon will go to bed. Yeah, I'm kind of recording this video right now in the afternoon. Okay, without really further ado, let's quickly go to the prices, and we are going to start off with the Bitcoin dollar pair. As you can see, not a lot of price action in the last few hours. If you were in Europe, actually, then you had quite a decent run here in the morning. I was asleep, so I totally missed out on this, but it was a 2-3%. So if you would leverage that with a 5x or 10x, then yeah, you could still had a pretty good trade. While I was watching this, I thought, well, you know what, we might make here a bit of a cup, and who knows, we might make a handle. Well, that didn't work out at all. We kind of dumped hours in a row, and we hit here the support. We're bouncing off right now, and the support is right now the bottom of all the lines that I draw. So yeah, actually the next bottom line is the next support, if we are going to break through, and we had a lot of support here already, and the more we test the support the weaker it gets. So at some point we might break through, then that will be this level, and this level was the bottom of the dump that we had here earlier. So yeah, be careful. I did not trade Bitcoin today at all. What I did trade was Ethereum. I will look at that a little bit later. Right now you could trade this bounce, but yeah, it is I just really want to advise you to be very careful, because as you can see, it can just dump down on you right away, and this goes super fast. There's almost no clear indication that suddenly here the market is turning. So you might be thinking, hey, we are going to retest up, we're going up to retest this resistance right here, and if that then doesn't happen, yeah, like here, then you're kind of being stopped out. So that's what I mean with stuff is still very wicky, so please be careful when you're trading here. Kind of the same story. Are you thinking, oh, we broke out tremendously, and then suddenly, boom, we're going out. Oh, we're retesting it, looks good, we might go up. No, suddenly going down. In a matter of hours, we're kind of retesting the bottom right here. So that is still, yeah, a little bit tricky, a little bit hard to do. You could say that there is a bit of a wedge forming here with a big fake out. Yeah, I wouldn't really see it like that or trade it like that, but you could see it like that, and then we're kind of now ending the wedge. And then the question is, of course, are we going up and down? I would say, because the current market is still pretty weak, that we might break lower here before we are going higher, and that could be a very swift move down before we're going up. Alrighty, let's quickly look at Ethereum. I was asleep, but there was actually a pretty good W pattern that played out right here. I mean, look at that. Second bottom is higher than the first. And if we then draw the top to the bottom and we place it here on top, then you will get exactly where the price kind of stopped for a little bit, and we even moved a little bit higher. So this could have been a pretty good trade. Again, I totally missed it because I was asleep, but it's a 1.7, so it's a tiny trade. But right now in this market, you should be happy with these percentages. This is not, and I repeat this almost every video, this is not the market where you double your portfolio. You are taking small trades, 5%, 10%, 15%, and you're out. And then I don't mean the entire length from going all the way up, down 10%, but if you're leverage trading on a, let's say a 5x, if your leverage trade is then up 5%, you're taking it, you're out. 10%, you're out. I actually saw another pattern that I traded earlier. That's why also the upload of this video is a little bit later. Look at this. This is a pretty good one, yeah, like this. And you could say that this is a bit of a wedge or a rising channel. Well, actually I had more like a wedge, maybe like this. Yeah. This actually eventually usually breaks to the downside, and I was actually busy doing something else. I completely missed this move up right here. And then once we got that bounce off the from the top of the wedge here, and hey, we didn't hold it, I went short here. No, actually, I'm very sorry. I didn't went short here. I'm very confused. I'm very sorry. I missed this trade down. So I missed the move down here. Sorry to make it so confusing. I missed this move down here. And then I went long here because this is where we bounced off, had a nice little move up, and I just sold the position because, again, it doesn't mean that right away we're gonna go up to the top. This thing might even come down again and maybe then go up, or since this is a rising wedge, the most likely scenario is actually that we are going to break down. If we do, then I expect us to test this support level first. You can see also, just like Bitcoin, we have a few major levels to look out for that we're constantly trading in between. Then this will be the first one, and after that, actually I need to zoom out quite some to find something for you guys. Yeah, there will be around this level, like the 3500, or even here the top at the bottom of the wick that we have seen, yeah, around 3500. I do not hope so. So far Ethereum has been a little bit stronger, but it can always happen. That was it for the TA for now. Like I said, the next video will be uploaded anytime soon. I hope you guys like these short and brief updates. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.